Today we will learn how to speak about the night using easy and calm English. These sentences will help you relax. They will help you speak clearly. You can listen and repeat. You can use these lines every night. Let's begin. The sky is dark. I look outside. I see the stars. I feel calm. I close my window. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I look in the mirror. I say, "It was a good day." I smile. I take a warm shower. The water is soft. I feel clean. I dry my body. I wear my night clothes. I turn off the big lights. I turn on a small lamp. I walk to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. I sit on the sofa. I take a deep breath. I feel relaxed. I talk to my family. We speak softly. We share our day. I listen with care. I say, "Thank you." I say good night. I go to my room. I close the door. I sit on the bed. I write in my notebook. I write one good thing. I say, "Today I tried." I say, "Tomorrow I will try again." I feel calm. I listen to soft music. I read one page of a book. I learn one new English word. I say it out loud. I say it again slowly. I say, "I am learning." I say, "I am growing." I say, "I am doing my best." I turn off the light. I lie down in bed. I close my eyes. I think good thoughts. I say, "I am safe." I say, "I am thankful." I say, "I am ready to sleep." I listen to my breath. I feel the pillow. I feel warm. I smile. I sleep. These small sentences are soft. They help your mind. They help your heart. They help your English. You don't need long words. You don't need fast grammar. You just need to feel the words. You just need to speak from the heart. One sentence at a time. One word at a time. You are doing great. I am proud of you. Keep listening. Keep shadowing. Keep speaking. English will become your friend, even at night, even in silence. So tonight, before you sleep, speak one line in English. Say one word with care. That is your practice. That is your power. The night is a time for peace. The world becomes quiet. The streets are calm. The sky is dark. Some lights are still on. Some homes are still bright. But inside, people are getting ready to rest. I am getting ready too. I start by slowing down. I turn off loud sounds. I put my phone away. I close extra windows. I take deep breaths. I feel the air. It is cool and soft. I stand still. I say, "I'm okay." I say, "This is my time to rest." I walk slowly to the kitchen. I drink warm milk. Sometimes I drink warm water. It helps me feel sleepy. I sit down in a chair. I do not rush. I do not check my phone. I just sit. I close my eyes for a moment. I listen to the night. I hear soft sounds. I hear the fan. I hear the wind. I hear silence. It is a nice feeling. I say, "I don't need to do more." I say, "I did enough today." I repeat these soft words again. I did enough. I am enough. I can rest now. These are simple words, but they help my heart. They help my mind. They help my body. Now I walk to my room. My room is ready for sleep. I keep it simple. I keep it quiet. I keep it clean. I like a soft light. I do not use strong light. I like a warm blanket. I check the bed. I fix my pillow. I sit on the bed. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I feel my back. I say, "Thank you, body." I say, "You worked hard today." I take a deep breath. I smile. Then I open my notebook. I write one line, just one line. I write, "I feel thankful today." Some days I write more. Some days, just one line. That is enough. I say, "I am learning." I say, "I am growing." I say, "I will try again tomorrow." These are my night words. They help me sleep. I close the notebook. I place it on the table. I turn off the lamp. The room is now dark. I like the dark. It helps my eyes rest. I lie down. I feel the bed under me. I feel the pillow. I feel the blanket. I feel my breath. I say, "I am safe." I say, "I am calm." I say, "I am ready." I close my eyes. I breathe in. I breathe out. I do this slowly. I count 1, 2, 3. I do it again. 1, 2, 3. My body becomes light. My hands rest. My feet rest. My face feels soft. My eyes feel heavy. I say soft words in English. I say, "I love peace." I say, "I love sleep." I say, "I am happy with today." I say, "I welcome tomorrow." My mind slows down. My heart slows down. My day is over. It is time to let go. Let go of stress. Let go of fear. Let go of worry. Just rest now. I say, "Tomorrow is a new day." I say, "I will do my best." But now I do nothing. I only rest. I sleep with peace. I dream with peace. My dreams are soft. My dreams are kind. Even in sleep, I think in English. I say, "Good night, Ariel." I say, "Sleep well." These words are for you too. You can say them. You can feel them. You can use them every night. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Feel the words. Speak to your body. Speak to your heart. Say, "Thank you, legs. You walked today." Say, "Thank you, hands. You helped today." Say, "Thank you, eyes. You saw the world today." Say, "Thank you, voice. You spoke today." Every part of you worked. Every part of you helped. Now every part can rest. These are easy English sentences, but they are powerful. They are healing. They help you sleep. They help you feel calm. You don't need big grammar. You don't need long words. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to speak with love. That is English too. Love is English. Peace is English. Kindness is English. A quiet voice is still English. When you speak like this, you grow. You learn slowly. You learn deeply. You don't forget these words, because they are part of your life. These are real words for your real night. So tonight, speak with me. Repeat after me. I feel tired. I feel calm. I feel safe. I did my best today. I am happy with today. I can sleep now. I close my eyes. I breathe slowly. I welcome peace. I welcome sleep. I love this moment. I rest deeply. I dream kindly. I sleep in quiet. My heart is soft. My mind is clear. My breath is slow. I feel warm. I feel quiet. I feel love. These are your night words. Practice them again tomorrow. Speak softly, sleep fully, and remember, one simple sentence can change your night. I did enough. I am enough. I can rest now. You are learning English in the most peaceful way. Not from stress, not from tests, but from life, from real words, from real moments. That is the best way. That is the lasting way. You are doing very well. I am proud of your effort. I believe in your voice. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep sleeping with English. Good night.